This is going to be a quick unboxing of the Litom 30 LED solar landscape lights. This is 2 lights. They have solar cells. They are waterproof, heat resistant, and frost resistant. So you stick them in the ground and you get sun during the day and then light at night. So let's open this up and see what comes in the box. Got your 2 stakes here. Put them in the ground. Connector. Another connector. Those are going to be the 2 lights. You get your user manual there, so you'll know exactly how to use it. And then you get the star of the show, which are these 2 lights. Have an adjustable panel, so you can loosen that and you can change the angle of the panel without any issue if you need to, depending on the angle of the light. And then you've got your light. Look at that honeycomb pattern with all those LEDs. And then you also can adjust the angle here. Get the angle you need the light to be after you've put it on the stake. And then over here on the other side, you have your button to go through the different functions. I have to read the instructions, find out what all those are. I believe it's off and on, and I think there may be different levels or colors of white. But in the full review, I will cover that. This is just the unboxing, and that's that. And then, of course, you have same thing over here. This one actually has a quick little guide to it that lets you know how to set it up and lets you know how to what you get, whether it's best weather or worst weather, and direct light or backlight. Basically talking to you about the solar panel and how the solar panel works to charge the light. So there's your guide right there. And then you have your other solar light. Almost missed it, but there's also hardware in the box because you can mount these to the wall. You can see the wall mounting holes here. And so you are able to mount these lights onto a wall or whatever you want to mount them to using these holes and the included screws. So they do have that in the box as well. Anyway, that's what comes in the box. That's the unboxing of the Litom 2-piece 30 LED solar landscape lights.